Good morning. My name is Bertrand Stephann. I'm the CEO of Alcmeon, and I'm very happy to be here with David Martin. We'll present you. So the good news is we'll be much less technical than the previous presentation, and we'll present you a use case of Le Bon Marché. So we'll present you the AI assistant which we are operating for our customer Le Bon Marché, which is part of the LVMH Group. And as I said, I'm the CEO of Alcmeon. It's a conversational customer relations platform, which I founded in 2011. We are back. We have a stand R1 just behind this bubble.
And my name is David Martin. I'm part of LVMH Group at the tech department. And I'm in charge of the client solution, meaning marketing campaign, clienteling, and obviously customer care.
And thank you again, David, for being here with me today. So some word about Le Bon Marché?
Yes. First, let me give you some words about Le Bon Marché. So Le Bon Marché is one of our Maisons, one of the 75th Maisons that we have. It's located around 10 minutes from here, so do not hesitate to go. It has been founded in 1852 by Aristide and Marguerite Boucicaut, and it was already at the time extremely innovative. They were one of the first companies to have the profit sharing, so for the employees. They were giving the paid holidays decades before it became legally in France. And they were doing some training in the evening for the employee. So that was a benefit for the employee, but at the same time, they were very innovative in for the customer. So they have fixed price, and they allow the return and exchange of the product, which was not happening at the time. So already demonstrating that innovation spirit within the Maison.
So let's go to the use case, which is the use case is basically helping customer service advisors of Le Bon Marché and La Grande Épicerie respond to customer comments on Instagram and Google reviews. So the challenge number one we had with this use case was to make sure that every customer was heard while dealing with high volumes of comments and requests, given the popularity of Le Bon Marché and La Grande Épicerie.
Yeah, and opposite to many customer care that you will see in different industries, we are not trying to deflect contact. We want to speak with our customer, to create that link with the customer. So we are obviously very seasonal business, so there is high peaks, where it's obviously much more complex, but that's what we are aiming at.
The second challenge is to preserve the brand's language, the tone and unique style of the responses, which obviously is very important for Le Bon Marché as a very upscale department store.
In the luxury industry and maybe in other industries, our Maison have been built on expertise, have been built on values, have been on history that we link, that we created with the customer. So we believe that our DNA is reflected also in the way we are speaking to the customer, in our tone of voice. So we don't want to have, when we are interacting with customer, we don't want to have that robotic standard voice. We want them to know when they are speaking to us that they are speaking with Le Bon Marché.
So here is the solution that we have implemented, that is currently working. So on this slide, you see a screenshot of our Alcmeon processing page, which customer service advisors of Le Bon Marché are using. And on this example, you see the message of a customer, which is actually a comment on Instagram, just saying, magnifique, beautiful. you see on the lower side of the slide the reply box, and then you see on the right side a black button called AI Assistant, which the advisor can click on. And when the advisor clicks on the button, an AI-generated answer suggestion appears, which is in this case, commenting on the fact that they will be basically thanking the customer for the nice comment, and going beyond just a simple thank you, but giving some more arguments. And on the next example, which is a more elaborate comment, which is actually a review on Google, where this customer is giving a 5-star review and commenting on the humorous exhibition about dogs at Le Bon Marché. The generated answer is a quick, it's an engaging and elegant reply, which is also suggested by AI, then validated by the advisor, and sent when the advisor thinks it's okay to send it.
So we come with some numbers. So we are usually not resharing the numbers, but for you guys, we brought some of them. First, we are using Alcmeon on the social channels. So that's where you have the number of conversation and some volumes. And we will see a bit more in detail in the next slide, for instance, the result. So the first thing is, again, our objective is not to deflect. It's always to speak to the customer, to have that high-level quality in the answer, that's very personalized answer that we are creating. And so we spend a lot of time testing the solution, providing example, and making sure that the suggested answer will fit our tone of voice. And in the previous numbers that we shared, we saw that there is a high-level adoption of the solution and a very limited numbers of messages that are modified then by the advisor. And obviously our objective is always to improve that. The objective is not to replace the advisor, but it's really for him, for her, to focus on building relationship with the customer.
Another result, David, which is about the fact that every customer now gets an answer.
Exactly. Again, there, our objective is to create link with the customer, to be able to increase our reach and to be able to speak with the highest number of customers as possible. And so to do that, we are using that tool to increase that. Because before, sometimes when you have a very good grade, you are not answering, you are focusing on the issues. Our objective is really to speak to everyone.
Right.
And there is a side effect on all the SEO and visibility of the brand, obviously.
Yeah, the time that was gained, as mentioned, is basically now used to answer also to the good and positive reviews. And it adds to the variety of the answers as well. And I see we have 1 minute, so you have anything else to say, David?
Yeah, it's just, again, for us, a scripted answer template that we are sending always the same message to the customer is not what we are aiming at. We are aiming at having a personalized touch, personalized answer for every customer that is contacting us. So that's where AI is helping us draft that.
Okay, and this is a comment of one of the advisors, which you can read. Just very quickly regarding our stack, so we are an enterprise conversational platform providing an omni-channel hub connected to 15 digital channels, the ones we quoted, plus many others, such as WhatsApp, chat, and so on. So we provide an agent workspace, as we just showed you. It's embedded with agentic AI embedded in the workspace, and last but not least, connected to the main CRM platforms such as Salesforce. We're trusted by many Maisons from LVMH, and thank you again for that, but also by other major retailers, telecom companies, travel and leisure companies in France, Europe, and beyond. And our tech partners, I'm not going to list, you see them on the chart. Thank you very much, and you can meet us at stand Air 1 just behind this bubble.
Thank you.